Let's review how to use the preparation accordion in our conference page. Select the Tools section, then the Conferencer page. Click on the Preparation Accordion title bar to access this resource. Here you can enter critical meeting details like the meeting link and access code into distinct, immutable fields to eliminate manual entry errors. Populate the dedicated subject, introduction, and conclusion panes to generate a unified professional narrative. Use intuitive clipboard shortcuts to instantly deploy your drafted text into any external platform, while individual clear functions streamline content iteration. Once your preparation details are complete, you can download, recycle, undo, or share them via secure links. Jump directly to the LawWiz Productivity Suite or continue editing without losing momentum. It streamlines the assembly, transfer, and resetting of standardized legal communications to ensure consistency. And that's how you use LawWiz Preparation Accordion.